Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing G from alphabet lore. To get started, we're going to go on the left of the page, right around this point. We're going to go all the way right for the top of our G. Once you're done with the top of the G, let's go down slightly and then go back in to around the middle point right here for our first line. Before we move forward, we just need to draw in the eyes. We're going to go start towards the middle of this page and we're going to draw in the first eye. It's going to be like a rounded cube. Like so. And we're going to draw another cube right behind it. I'll give you some time to draw those in. Once you're done with both of these eyes, let's draw in the eyelids. Be a line across on both. And now we just need the little iris on the bottom. One right here. Let's do another one right here. Give them both little highlights. And just fill those in as much as you can. That's looking great. Now let's go down from the middle of the eye right around here. Just a small little line, and we're going to curve it all the way back up. And this is going to be the top lip of our smile. And let's just do a small curve on this side. Looking real slick. Now from this point, go all the way down and go back up. This is going to be the start of our smile. To finish off the smile, we just need 3 thin lines across, like so. Our G is almost complete. Let's go back with this line back here and then go all the way down for the bottom of our G. And once you reach this point, we're going to go back up towards the middle of the page, right where the lips are, right here. Go back up and stop right there. And then going back in, not all the way to the eye, we're going to end right here. And then back down. You can almost see the G shape. We just need a little bit of a curl and we're completed. Let's start from here, go across and down, and then connect it to the teeth. That's looking great. Once your line art is done, all we really need is color. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.